Step into RTH Homeopathic Clinic located at Dokmoka, Milk Forest, IB. Avail your opportunity to meet the best homeopathic doctor from Dr. Ramsanath, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BHMS, HNFWD, Duhati for solutions to your health problems including dermatology, respiratory, orthopedics, neurology, gastrology, gynecology, nephrology, child diseases, and others. RTH Homeopathic Clinic Dokmoka is a branch of RTH Homeopathic Clinic Longihan Dikut. Online consultations are available along with worldwide medicine delivery, blood sample collection, and testing also available. Doctor's availability is Monday to Sunday during the following visiting hours: morning 9 a.m. to 12 noon and evening 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. For more information, please contact at 70999 57
Pardon, nilimen Dr. Rangsana Togbi, non la Dokmoka ratumhan isidirata kemelo, non pen ke ladak Dokmoka long setame homeopathic pen ke so gechelang ning hang tum andus tame ladak nang hung ripon ik tamelo, ladak ke so kelang ponji labang ke diabetes, pressure, arikeng giso, thyroid, appendix, piles, ang pen la belek o samartuma kiso postame apu kiso singyam kiso kapasi ang pen sorlo kiso doan sitame ladak kichelang pon awar sailong pon eko